In today's video, I'm going to teach you CJ Dropshipping Lazada tutorial. We'll walk through connecting the Lazada app inside your CJ Dropshipping account, authorizing it properly, and then listing a product to your Shopify store from within CJ. I'll keep things clear and practical so you can follow along in one go. Start by opening your CJ Dropshipping account and logging in. On the left panel, look for the section where you can manage integrations and apps. Click Install App, choose Lazada from the list, and proceed with install. Make sure you pick the correct Lazada region for your store so inventory and shipping options line up with your target market. Once the installation finishes, click the same app icon again, select Lazada, then click Authorize. Follow the on-screen prompts all the way through. It helps to already be signed into your Lazada Seller Center in the same browser. Grant the requested permissions so CJ can sync products, orders, and tracking. When you see the confirmation that authorization succeeded, you're ready to move on. Head back to your CJ Dropshipping dashboard and go to the product section. Browse or search for the item you want to sell. Open the product page to review details like available variants, shipping methods, and estimated delivery times so they align with your store's standards. Click List and choose to list the product to Shopify. Select your store name from the drop-down to make sure the item goes to the right destination. Fill in the product title and add relevant tags to help with organization and search within your store. Next, go to variant pricing. Set your selling prices for each variant, keeping an eye on costs, shipping, and your target margins. If there are multiple options, double check that each variant has the correct SKU and price. Move on to images and videos. Pick a clear main image, add additional photos that show the product from different angles, and include any available video to boost conversions. Then open the description section. Refine the text so it's accurate, easy to read, and formatted with short paragraphs. Highlight key benefits and care instructions and remove any supplier-only notes. Once everything looks good, click List Now. CJ will push the product to your Shopify store based on the details you entered. That's it. You've installed the Lazada app, completed authorization, and listed a product from CJ to Shopify. Thanks for watching and happy selling.